Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today I am stepping into a world of timeless, traditional and style, a footwear style that blend heritage with modern elegance. Yes, we are talking about the beautiful Kolhapuri chappal. Let's explore designs that every woman will adore. Kolhapuri chappal are handcraft leather sandal from India. They are known for leather durability and unique design. Originally worn by royal and warriors, they have a rich history. Each pair is made by skilled artists with love and care. They are more than footwear collection. The designs feature intricate hand sketching. Some come with delicate braids and punch pattern. Traditional shades are tan, brown, and earthy tone, but now they are also available in bright modern colors. Perfect for both ethnic and casual outfit. Classic flat Kolhapuri chappal with simple strap, embossed flower pattern for a feminine touch. Metallic Kolhapuri in gold and silver for festive wear. Beaded designs that add sparkle to your step. Minimalist single strap Kolhapuri for a sleek look. Woven leather styles that feel both rustic and stylish. Brightly painted chappal for a playful vibe. Kolhapuri with ankle strap for extra sport. Multicolored braided strap for a boho look. Soft cushioned sole for all day comfort. Kolhapuris with tassels for a trendy twist. Shimmer finishes leather for party occasions. Wedge strap style that look chic and modern. A hand painted traditional motif for an artisty feel. Simple earthy tones for everyday wear. Stone studded strap for a festive spark. Pastel colored Kolhapuri for summer outfits. Velvet strap Kolhapuri for luxury styling. Dual tone leather blend for unique looks. Sleek pointed front Kolhapuri for a refined style. Pair then 10 Kolhapuris with a cotton kurti and plazos. Wear metallic Kolhapuri with sari or lehengas. Style bright Kolhapuris with jeans and a simple top. Match beaded chappal with your evening dress. Earthy tone go best with bohemian maxi dresses. Ankle strap Kolhapuris look amazing with skirts. Pair them with denim shorts for a fashion look. Kolhapuri and linen pants are a summer match made in heaven. Add oxidate jewelry to elevate the ethnic vibe. Wear them to wedding for comfort without losing style. Great for beach occasion, light and easy to carry. Suitable for office wear with formal ethnic suits. Perfect for college outfit with simple kurtas. Work beautifully with Indo-Western dresses. Always keep your Kolhapuri polished for a fresh look. Kolhapuri chappals are more than a brand, they are a blend of traditional culture and comfort. Whether simple or glamorous, they never go out of style. A versatile choice for women of all age. Each pair tells a story of graphic manship, Support local artists by choosing handmade Kolhapuris. A must have in every woman footwear collection. Wear them casually, formally, or at festive occasions. With the right pair, your outfit instantly shine. They last long and become more comfortable with time. A must have in every woman footwear collection, perfect for gifting to loved ones who love ethnic wear. Available in affordable to premium range. So, which Kolhapuri chappal design is your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion ideas. Stay stylish, stay comfy. Thank you. Bye.